In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your web and app activity on Google to manage your privacy settings more effectively. Taking charge of your data can seem like a daunting task, but with just a few straightforward steps, you can easily control how your information is used. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want to take a cleaner approach to your online presence, I've got you covered. So, let's dive in. First, we'll need to start by opening Google Chrome. It's a fast and reliable web browser developed by Google, and it's widely used across the globe. If you're using another browser, don't worry, these steps will still apply, but Google Chrome is really optimal for what we're doing today since we're already within the Google ecosystem. Once you have Chrome up and running, you'll want to navigate to myactivity.google.com. This is your central hub for managing Google activity. It shows all the data that's been collected from your use of Google services. Take a moment here, if you like, to view the types of activities logged. You'll see sections dedicated to web and app activities, location history, YouTube history, and more. Each section can be managed individually, but today we're focusing on web and app activity. On that screen, look for the section labeled Web and App Activity. It's usually easily visible and gives you a breakdown of the data collected whenever you use Google apps or services. Click on this section. You're about to take an important step toward maintaining your privacy and controlling the flow of data collected about your web interactions. Here, you're going to see the option to turn off web and app activity. Clicking the Turn Off button will initiate the process of disabling this feature. This action prevents Google from saving your searches, browsing history, and other activity from their sites and apps to your account. It's crucial for the privacy-conscious individual. After clicking the Turn Off button, a message will appear indicating that web and app activity is off. Along with this message, you'll also see a note clarifying that this change will apply across all Google services linked to your account. An assurance like that can give you peace of mind that privacy is a priority. Finally, click Got It to confirm your selection. This step confirms your decision, cementing the change in your account settings. By doing this, you're opting out of storing detailed histories of your activities. Now, your browsing history is paused, and it won't be saved to your Google account until you would decide to turn it back on. This gives you more control over what information you share and with whom. It's worth remembering that if you rely heavily on Google's tailored services, this might affect recommendations you receive. So it's all about balancing privacy with personalization. As technology continues to evolve, keeping a handle on privacy is a valuable habit. Thanks for watching and see you next time.